I'm going to get a bag of Takis. Hey. Why won't this machine accept my money? Let me try again. That's it. I'm going to destroy this dumb vending machine. Yay! I got my bag of Takis.
I notice you have a bag of Takis. How did I get them?
Oh my god. Caillou, how dare you destroy the vending machine? That's it, come to my office, I can write you up.
Caillou, I can't believe you destroyed the vending machine.
But principal, vending machine won't accept my money.
I don't care. You do not do that to school property. There are consequences in that. I'm gonna have to write you up for a twilight detention and you will be expelled.
No. No. Please don't, I promise I will behave.
Too late, I will write you up. Now go home.